So here's the trades that I took today. We had news at 8:30, so I planned my trade around that. And I got into a long position because I saw that price touch that 60-minute breaker, retrace down a little bit, but then wanted to go back up. So I did get into a long position. And I also outlined this 15-minute fair value gap. I know that often those are targets for price, and price will retrace to those targets. And so I entered into the long position. This was taking a little bit to hit my target, so I did exit early. And here are all of the executions. I decided to get back into that trade. This second trade is the standard trade that I like to take. So I identified a bullish breaker on the 5-minute chart, and it's outlined here in green, and we are trading right into that fair value gap. So I am looking for a low-hanging fruit target. So I do switch over to the 5-minute chart, and I see that one red candle, so I am going to draw a line here. And this will be my first target for exiting this trade. Just create something for yourself, a bit of a visual. I try and keep my charts pretty clean. I do not trade with indicators. Those are super confusing and frankly just not helpful for my trading style. But to each their own, figure out what works for you. So there is my target. And as you can see, price went right to the target and then started to retrace down. I was pretty happy with this trade. I'll zoom in a little bit so you can see the full execution. So you can see I entered in the breaker area and was able to exit at my target. Was pretty pleased with how these trades worked out today. As always, just take your time, figure out what your setup is, and stick with it. Focus on mastering one type of trade. 10 before 10.